What is up, guys? What's up? So CPI day today. Um, CPI day. All right. And I'm expecting price to go down a little bit on EU right here. Let's bring all this down. Let's bring all this up. CPI day today, guys. So I'm expecting EU to drop right now. And for some reason, I don't know, like this is where I get fucked, right? Because yesterday, all right, we know the XY is sort of gonna like, maybe go up a little bit today, right? And so I decided, you know what? Since of course, like, your USD, which means we might do one more leg down and maybe instantly we jet back up and recover this keys in again. So I'm like, okay, you know what? I'm just gonna short GPUSD at the time because then GPUSD was also, around this level right here. So I'm like, okay, you know what? This is gonna be the play, right? At least this last leg right here. And I woke up. EU wasn't doing anything and is about to do the same leg we're expecting right now. The XY isn't even dropping, but GU started pumping up. So yeah, sometimes we have situations like that sometimes. And yeah, that's what it is. And it is crazy. Sometimes it just happens like that. I should have just kind of like, just held the shot on USD instead. I should have just done that on USD, but yeah. So anyways, I don't know. Possibly, I don't know. Maybe I might get kicked out right here. Maybe I might get, my stop loss might get tagged around here, maybe. But we could just kind of like, I don't know. Maybe we could just kind of like, hold on here while EU is kind of like, weakening out the low right here, right? Maybe that's what's going to happen. But again, I should have just shorted EU instead of shorting GPUSD. So again, I do feel like, EU is going to come down to the ski zone right here. That's what I think. So if you look at this, so I think we might come down here. So with that amount of pressure, so what I'm betting on is hopefully, GU doesn't take out the eye, and most likely because when we have news like this, it's most likely going to take out the eye. So, but sometimes it's not, with that kind of pressure. Like if VXY just sort of like just move up like that, it might drag GU down a little bit. So I'm hoping for that. And I don't know, maybe I don't want to like, just assume, okay, you know what, this is already failed yet. But again, this is not supposed to be going up, but because, again, London section came in and stuff. So GPUSD is going to go up. So anyways, so right now, CPI coming in right now, guys. It's coming in and we're expecting DXY to go up a little bit, just a little bit. Just the way we spoke about on Sunday when we're doing our weekly analysis. So we're kind of like expecting somewhere around here. And that's going to be it for DXY. And we're expecting Euro USD down there. So sort of what I'm expecting right there. So what I'm expecting. So what I'm going to do now, I'm already in on GU though, but GU is already going up. He's not supposed to be doing that. But again, it's what it is. I shot at the wrong one. I should have just shot at like, maybe EU because I already know DXY should, come out like at least have this last leg right here. So then that's what happened. So that's what we're looking at. So again, if you're not in this trade yet, I feel like this trade, EU trade, right? I don't know. I wouldn't take this, but I feel like, we should have something like this. Maybe drag all the way down a little bit, maybe to this level right here. So I feel like this is going to be the best play to take some sort. Yeah, I think this is going to be the best play because right now everything just sort of lines up. So yeah. And again, if you're not in the trade, that's a play you can take right now. That's a CPI trade right there. What is you doing? All right. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my other big account here. I'm going to try to short your USD right there from what I just said. I'll try to shut it. Let's do this. So let's just do this. Yep. So I just shut it your USD. One second here. I'm trying to shut on my other big account, so that's why you guys can't see that on screen right now because it's on the VPS. So, what am I looking at here? Let me see. Oh, what's GU? Okay, this is GU. So, yep. Let's let me move this here. 1 second, guys. I'm gonna switch to the Lasham account in a moment, so we can do stuff. All right. So let's switch to the Lasham account right now. So this is what I'm running on the Lasham account. This is what I'm running. Why is it small? Why is this window small? So yeah, hopefully, but it's really, it's bad. I just think it's gonna go up again, like it's gonna do that last push right there, but yeah, pretty much. But again, I shouldn't have shut it to you. I should have just felt like, whatever. I feel like USD might just weak out this low right here, then instantly kind of like, flush back up and continue this move right there. So we have to, the moment this weaks out this low right here and start rejecting back up, you have to make a decision right there. All right. But I still think I'm not hoping for GU to recover below this level right here. I just think, GU might sort of like, come back here before to start pushing back up. I think we can have that. So that's what I'm sort of like, waiting for. I don't care. I'm just gonna wait 1 second. Let me put this right here. Where is the GU right there? Okay. Let me move this stuff right here. I think this is just gonna be it. So I'm gonna take off $50 right there. I'm gonna take off $50 there. Yeah, I'm gonna take a $50 if this comes down. So I want to be out of this trade right here. Let me do the same thing here. All right, that's a play we might want to take. I think that's a solid play, by the way. I think that's a solid play. I think DXY still have to go up. I don't just think it's gonna just want to do. I think it's gonna want to go up a little bit, at least here, right? At least this level right here. So that's what I'm looking at on DXY. And if DXY is gonna go there, I think EU should kind of like give us that push right there. I already showed that EU. Oh wait, there's this other account, the investor account too. So I'm gonna shut this one right here. 1 to 1 or 1 to 1.5 is good. Again, we're doing $2,000 here. So I'm gonna sell this right now. Oh, no. Fine. Move this back. All right. So if you guys can see this, I just showed it right now, right here for 1 to 1.5. But yesterday you can see it's already green. So yesterday was a green day. So we made what? We made $2,700 on this account, and the investor gave us account at $43,000. So now we're at 46,000 or so. Yeah, 46,000 right here. So now we're taking the last shot right here. So yeah, $2,700 yesterday, and yeah, that was amazing though for a 50-50 split. That's good. Yep, let's see how this is gonna play out. I think this plays a good play. Let's go back here. Let's see what's going on. The GU at 23 is very bad. I know GU might want to weak out this low before doing anything crazy. I mean, that might be the first thing GU should fall, honestly speaking. That might be the first thing, especially when we kind of go up a little bit before we now start dropping. But I feel like everything just sort of like, set up perfectly right now, even on the 8 hour time frame right here, everything's set up perfectly right now for EU to come down around here, to be honest. So that's what I'm playing with. You can't see the trade? Sorry. You can just take this trade right here. So that's the trade right there. So that's the trade I'm running right now. Yeah, that's a trade. So I'm just looking at, that's still where I'm running right now, guys. So you guys should kind of like, you can take that. You can take that. I think that's going to be a good play. So don't trip, but hold that stop loss. The moment we'll wait this low right here and start pushing down, I want you guys to move this stop loss, maybe tighten it up a little bit or something like that. But I'm going to be here. We're going to see. We're going to try to make a decision there. Yeah, how many minutes do we have here? We have about 3 minutes. We have about 3 minutes before the news comes in. So let's see. Now, I think I'm going to get stuff out on GU, but I think my EU play is going to play out. Three minutes to the greatest week of all time. Is it, guys? What did I got in on this trade? Oh, all right. That's it. My bad. Okay, let's see. Imagine you just pop in and he just goes, whip. That's gonna be the quickest like stream I will ever do, because I'm just gonna log off like shit. I'm just gonna turn on the stream. What a day, good day, go suck it up. But I don't think I should lose. I do not think I should lose. I'm risking normal on this position though, because I think I'm gonna be right on this one, because why do I think so? We haven't even taken out this low, right? So I think we've done that, then it's going to be easy for us to say, you know what? Taking out this low is going to lead to like, a solid reaction. Do you understand? So please, what trade? I can see it. I'm not in on the normal live stream account because I'm already in on Geo right there and I don't want to open a new position. But on this other account, you can use my same lot size because this is a big account though. All right, you can use the same lot size. It's a big account. So you can see it right there. I'm not on EU on the live stream, on the main challenge account. I'm on EU on the other personal account and other accounts too. Because I can open EU trade because I still have GU running on there. So I'm just saying, you know what? If EU is going to drop, GU should kind of like, at least get us back to like break even. So I don't hope to make any money on their account today. And again, like I said, you know what I said? I'm not going to have to the position. I'm not going to open to position at a time. So I'm sticking to that rule. I don't want to do anything crazy. I don't want to do that. How many minutes we got now? We got a couple minutes though. About a minute. So we gotta be careful on this one. The slow right here, you have got to be careful because that might create a solid reaction and might be too fast. So might be too fast. Maybe kind of like, shoot full like, a 1-to-1 easily first instead of like, the full risk right there. So you can just shoot for a 1-to-1 just in case that reaction. But again, if that reaction happens, I'm just going to close the damn trade, bro. Because when we go down, we should not reject back up. Like we should at least, come back down here. We should at least, hit this baseline on the 8 hour right here. Because everything is just good. We have the baseline there. We have the lower bound there. So that's a great support to target when you're trying to take profit. So I think that's a great trade. Oh no. Oh, crazy. Okay. Shit, bro. That's bad. Okay, closing the trades. Close, close, close. That didn't even hit though. Oh, that was quick. That was really quick though. No reaction whatsoever. Quick get lost on the stream. Shit. CPI nuts for the week. What did DXY do though? Oh shit. No low staking out, nothing. Just straight up week off. All right. GU. Crazy trade. News trading not for the week. How much loss have I taken on this account? Did I had a buy limit there? Okay, $2,500. I still like take another account. Are we back up yet? Another great time. I'm gonna wait for the 4 hour to close right now before I decide any trade. I'm gonna wait for this 4 hour candle to close. If this 4 hour closes, then the XY is not looking to like, fill up this level right here. I think we're just gonna start going down. Damn, do I want to miss this drop again? But I don't want to pop in any trades. Should I put in a trade? Should I put in a trade, bro? I mean, like, maybe a little bit of pullback here and continuation down. But we have to wait for this candle right here to close. Yeah. Maybe shot again. Because we didn't take out that low right there. Maybe a shot might be good. I mean, I don't know. Maybe a shot might be good. What is DXY doing? I don't like that setup there. Let's see. There's another thing we could look at here to confirm this whole thing. Oh, there's still nothing here. Everything still looks like we might have a pushback up, so I don't want to really pop in a new trade here just yet. I want to see what's going to go on. I mean, like, now that G took out the ice right now, so this could lead to like, a massive leg down. Don't you think? And like we could have that. We could literally have that. I mean, we all know G was going to go up here, but I was hoping, maybe go up and a flush down. So let's see. So if we come back here, if we reject below this level right here, then I'm going to take a trade from this low right here. Then I'm going to continue to trade all the way down here. I mean, like, because now we took out the high here, right? And EU was sort of like, pulling back. So we could still have that sort of like, reaction back down. I mean, like, it's CPI. So I don't think it's just going to be up from here. I do not think so, especially with GU set up like this, GU set up like this, because now we have GU breaking up its highs and EU just are like, in the middle here. We're not even close to this level right here. So this could be a trade. This could still be a trade down. Yeah, that could still be a trade down. Hmm. It's CPI. Wait, what? That's just it? That's what we're doing? No crazy drop. Just one little candle. Damn. Yeah. I still think this is gonna go up though. I still think this is gonna go up. Yeah. Let me put some fund in it. Yeah, I think this is still gonna be a drop. I want to be able to take this. Gonna put some fun in it. Let me take this first. So I'm gonna take I'll sell right here first. I'm just gonna put this here, just in case. Hi chat. She just say hi chat. What trade were you running on the CPI? What trade were you running on the CPI? Yeah. USDK down. USDK what? Long? USDK long? Bro, you already lost, bro. Yeah, and you were running USDK long. What's that mean to USDK? Oh, damn. That was a nasty week. Oh, shit, right? No, I'm not trying to mix this one, though. Oh, wait. So let me put a sell right here. Let me put a sell right there. Your trade is still running? Wait, what? $4,000? Wait, is that your trade? $4,000. You what? I caught ear. You caught ear today? Ear long. Damn, bro. That's massive. That is massive. Wait, what? Which account is 1700 again? That other 100K. It's still alive. Okay, 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 okay. Uh, it's probably. I'm not playing Starlight. I'm not playing Starlight. We had it with Americana. Please don't tear me down around. Behind the new Americana. What are we doing? Here's the cat. What are we doing? Are we gonna keep breaking down? What? I don't really expect Jessica like I'm guess why to break down right now though. Like to be honest, I don't really expect that to break down right now. I was hoping for at least minimum of this one. I was hoping for that. Look at fucking GU, bro. Mm. I'm not gonna do anything until I get a sell confirmation rate from here again. I don't want to do anything on there. We are the new American. Let's see what we have. Still pushing up. Are we gonna continue pushing up? Let's see. Let's wait. How many hours for the candle close? 18 minutes on the 4-hour candle close. This is odd. Wait, what? It's still going down? Damn, bro. You should have taken that 4,000. We are the new American. Nah, I refuse to believe. Oh, wait, I'm tripping. Am I tripping? No. Oh, sorry. I wanted to fund my damn account back. I'm not fucking with you today. When I woke up and I saw GU here, I know it's gonna be a shitty day. Just why the hell would you be going up? Oh, damn, brother. Oh, it's not. Yeah, it's not doing anything. What the hell is wrong with the Wi-Fi, bro? We're the new Americana. GDP, USD, touching key zone. Oh, okay, yeah, we're touching key zone. Mm, is this gonna be it? Please don't care, baby. We are the new Americana. Why can't I log in on my Just Market? Oh, what the fuck? I can't fund my account. Shit. I don't know. It's not done on my device. Come here. Yo, can you try to Just Market and see if it's opening, bro? Try to Just Market, see if it's opening. I can ask my Just Market here. I mean, they're preventing me from funding my account. I can't even log into my personal area on the fuck. Too many requests. What the fuck? No smart fault. The kid's down. He's down? Oh, okay, all right. Try again later. In the meantime, let's see what's going on here. I don't know. I still cannot. I don't think. No. I know I don't think so, but I just want to see EU come back below this low right here. Then I can reassess the situation. I think I'm just gonna go short the moment we get back down here. Because I mean, like if it didn't take out the low, and I mean, like we're going like this first, so I just think. So this is giving a draw base drop situation. So I just have to like be able to confirm this leg right here. So yeah, if we come back below here, I'm gonna take the trade. I'm gonna take the short again. Nothing past, no, just waiting for the straight right here. I wanted to close below this level because right now we're currently below. So yeah, I think the best trade would be to take the short once we reject below. I don't want to take the long in the short right here and assume it's just gonna break the low. I mean, I could do that, but I can't even fund my account, so it's not opening. My passing out area is not opening. Yeah, that's it. So that's the plan, guys. Like when this closes below the baseline right here, so pretty much when we reject below this level right here, I am gonna go short, guys. I am gonna go 100% short, 100% short, and I think I'm gonna make money on that. I think I'm gonna make it back. I think I'm gonna make it. I think I'm looking at a $5,000 day. And that's what I think I'm looking at. So let me take this trade again. Let me try to tighten out the stop loss a little bit. All right. So total take profit is going to be what? Oh, okay. All right. All right. Let's see. So guys, I'm taking a risk here, guys. So I just took a short right now. All right. I took a short right here on this private account. This is a client account. So I took a short, and the reason is that again, like I already said that before, but I'm just betting. So I'm heading my stop loss here. The moment we cross below this first entry right here, down here, then I'm gonna have to the trade. I'm gonna put our stop loss right here. You can see I'm still running the risk of 2,500, and we just we kind of like, you know, we haven't lost $1,000 yet because we made $2,700 yesterday. So you can see it. So we made $2,700 yesterday. So we're kind of like, you know, just taking a little bit of a profit out, but I think I'm gonna recover that. And yeah, because I'm running a 5K profit right now. Like I'm running a 5K TP right here. Oh my God, why is my just market not fucking working, bro? The fuck is happening? And I think it's gonna go down, guys. I think it's gonna go down. I'm not giving up on this trade just yet. I mean, like, it looks bad, and the reason why this is that, you know, I might wake up with GU and looking very bad, but honestly speaking, now that GU straight up just went for that high right there in the news, rather than kind of like, you know, go down, then we can have an aggressive. I think we went down first, right? We can have an aggressive play to the upside, then we can have like an explosive move. But the fact that they kind of like, you know, went for that high first, and, you know, and this as well. So this just tells me that, you know what, this is not it. You know, I was expecting the show to come from here, but then it's like, okay, you know what? No, I'm not ready to go down just yet. I want to take out the eye before I can now be able to push down. And again, we're kind of like, you know, at the kids right now. So it does make sense to kind of like, you know, expect a short here. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at, guys. That is really what I'm looking at. I seriously think this is gonna come down, and I think we're gonna come back to this low. I think we're gonna do that because right now, what this is looking like right now is just honestly, is just 1, 2, right? It's just looking like this. So this is kind of like a corrective. This to me is just kind of like a corrective leg right here, all right? So that's just this to me looks like. So I'm gonna rock that play. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it on my on the live stream account as well, but I can log in. Nah, I'm bothered. Wait, why? Because I can't log. I can't not log in my personal area, bro. Okay. So that's a trade. Let's see. Are we gonna reject? Damn, I suck as a trader, bro. Haha. Yeah, but it's still fun. I lose money for a living. Yeah, and especially right, like why am I still looking at this as a down? Because this old play of me expecting a drop is coming from a weekly perspective, right? Like I'm like this old thing is just around a drop base drop. To be honest, like so I still think the weekly is gonna drop crazy, bro. I still think it's gonna drop crazy, but I don't know. We might just drop a little bit, then recover that and start going back up. But I still think we should do one more, at least one more leg down before at least kind of like take out a low here or something like that. I just think like that's what I think. I think we just have to take a low here or something. I mean, I'm not doing that. It kind of like I feel like this is just gonna push up like up here and be an aggressive sell down. I just think so. So not taking that low, I'm not really going to trust any longs right now. Especially when we're rejecting back down below the baseline because what? We already have the selling confirmation right here. We might be in a buy sentiment, but we already have the sell. The momentum already shifted to the downside. So pretty much I just sell this as an extra manipulation of whatever it is. And this is just a minor high right here. So nothing really big. Yeah. If GU sort of like, come down below this baseline, you guys can run the short right there, guys. You can run the short, but to me, I'd rather run a play where that lines up with the full hour because right now, GU does not line up with the full hour. Let's see, does USCJ line up with the full hour? Of course, it does line up with the full hours right now. Because right now, you can see we haven't even crossed the downside right here. We are still kind of like above. So this is the buy sentiment. And I think this can go up. But again, if we're saying this is going to go up, then what does that mean for us on DXY? Does that mean DXY might extend out? No, I just think, well, my babe said, my girlfriend, she said, this is kind of like, where she's looking at the old thing to start dropping, not even here. It could happen here, but that's going to be a weak one. But I think this is what I'm also looking at for this play. So I really still expect that drop to happen. And this play is really good. USDCF play. So USDCF does look long, right? Like it does look long. So again, like this is another rally-based rally, right? Kind of situation that we are seeing right here. And the moment we break the low here and we close somewhere around here, then the old thing changes. Then we are not going to be looking at a sentiment down, and then we can now say, you know what? So wherever we are here, maybe we can now curl back upwards, right? But without we doing that first, I'm not gonna really exercise any. I'm not gonna think about this as a long just yet, right? I'm not gonna think about that because the moment this crosses below here, that might be a really can lead to a big flush. It can really lead to a big flush, bro. There? What is this? Yeah, of course. That's the thing, bro. Like, I still this checks out. This really checks out. Wait, let me see the trade here. No, the other trade, bro. Where am I looking at? Not here. Is it here? Oh, here, right. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna see how that reacts. Yeah, I still think a base drop. Okay, 4 hour just closed above the baseline again. The new candle on the 4 hour. Close above the baseline. Are we still gonna flush down? Like, can we still get a drop below the baseline? Okay, the baseline is already turning red a little bit, which we're about to cross down. Yeah, but I prefer to just roll it, because now that we didn't have that sweep right there and we went up first, I really think so. I want to take display while protecting the stop way above there. So I just started seeing more confirmation. I might drag my entire stop all the way down here and now to the trade somewhere around here, right? So I can now capitalize on taking profits somewhere around here. So that's just the plan. That's how I'm gonna play this in a very, very safe way. Let us see. Let's see what's going on. Hmm. All this still looks sales though. Like, I don't see anything else on this. Oh, this still looks long. Looks like a one more play thingy. May still expect. Yeah, sure. It does look long. And this looks short. I'm not sure how it floating right now. $2,600. The new position. How much am I floating? Oh no, I'm still in loss. Okay. UU is the battle cross down. The battle cross down. GU is a battle cross down. The baseline is already red, which means we are trading below the baseline right now. And this makes sense of this, somewhere around here, right? Unless like, somewhere around here, right? That kind of drop. So I still expect it, I still expect it. Oh my God, I should be running. Unless my profit right now, just market is not letting me put anything on my account. Maybe just market is like, bro, you're losing too much, bro. We gotta restrict you from logging into your account. Maybe that's what it is. Oh, yeah, sorry, arrows here do not cross. The fuck? You can do it. You can still make my day. You can still give me a $5,000 day, bro. You can still give me a $5,000 day. Oh, okay. That candle is not good. That candle is not good. That candle is not good. I'm a swing trader, so I I'm pretty much like when we have a news like this, you have to pretty much swing set up. I'm not really not the scalping type and stuff. Nah. That's why I'm so glued. So like, I'm looking at the bigger picture here to see if I'm wrong or not. That candle trending below the baseline pretty much just means, we're trending below the baseline right here, right? We're trending below the baseline, and this is below the TDI right here. It's just gonna be so that's a potential divergence coming, to be honest. Like that's a potential divergence coming, to be honest. So I don't know, that might happen right now. Do we still have any news impact coming in? Any news impact coming in for the week? USD, that's on Thursday. Nothing. Okay, unemployment claims. Maybe we could still work with that though. I think we can still work with that. Oh my God. So I'm not gonna be able to run this trade on this account. Come on. Maybe I have to use incognito. Let me try to use that. Oh, maybe that can work. What is that, bro? Come on. Just mark it. It's working nice, so oh my God. What is that? Is it dropping like that, guys? Are we going down now? Oh my God, this is gonna make me sad. Now that I'm trying to run this trade, I can't even log into my account. Oh well, it's still a small account anyways. I was only trying to put up $150 in there. So anyways, it is alright. There are gonna be so many more trades. I mean, I might be wrong on GU. Like maybe I'm wrong on GU, but again, that kind of like create a new view that you can kind of like, okay, you know what? Why is GU going up and trying to take out the highs, but your USD is not really taking out its own highs? So that will kind of like give you a clue on what is gonna really happen, like what is really happening, right? Because if GU now end up kind of like taking its own high, then that means that we can like we might be looking at a solid drop right here, guys. So again, that's why it's not coming from anything crazy, guys. Like maybe I know, and no, it's not coming. It's just coming from no. We have this is a base. This is a drop. Now, if we are thinking of a long, the only scenario that checks out that will make this long really last is grabbing this low right here. All right, that's the only reason the long is gonna trend for a long time, and we might actually see that as a complete trend reversal, right? That was what I was thinking, and I was trying, and that's the thing though, and that's the thing, and I say this a lot, like cannot trend trades is always nasty though, like always nasty to play, because I could have just kind of put my sell on you, knowing that well we might see pushback and put my stop loss right here, and when this happens, I'm still protected, and I can still run this all the way down. Like I could have done that and just sit there, right? And kind of try to scalp, the little drop there. But I actually shot it though. I actually shot it. I think I put my, oh wait, I still went sales though. I didn't really go on a buy. So I still went sales. Yeah, I went on a sell. I just kind of put my stop loss too tight or so. I want to see what happens when I try to record the stream at the same time as I'm trading. Is the stream lagging? Okay, I don't think the stream is lagging when I'm recording. Okay, so I'm going to start recording this now. All right. I don't know. I can log into my just my capacity area. Hopefully they fix this soon though. Because when I find it, I'm gonna still be running the USD short. I'm still gonna run it. Even if it's somewhere around here, I am still gonna run it. I'm still gonna run it. So maybe lost or not, what matters is I followed my rules. So that's in my book is a win. Begin with, like that's a win, bro. Anyways, got 58 minutes. CPI actual trade was a failure, but I don't think we're done yet. I don't think that's the end of it. I think we can still salvage this and still make money off it. If we're gonna go down here, so I'm gonna set a stop loss here. I'm gonna set them a lot here, so I want to know when we cross this level right here, so I can move my stop loss from this high right here somewhere around the last high right here. So I can move it somewhere around here, right? So I can extract as much as I can. So I'm gonna put a stop loss there. I'm gonna put on a lot there. All right, yeah. So what trade am I running right now again? So guys, yeah, I'm running this trade right now. Oh, maybe I should put a off here. So yeah. So this is the trade I'm running right now. So and if this pushes through, it's gonna get my down. I don't know. I think I'm gonna close around this candle right here. Yeah, I think because I'm just looking at price, looking at the slow right here in a little bit. Maybe somewhere around here is where I'm gonna close. So maybe $48,000 or so. That's where. Let me bring this to right here. Yeah, so this is the line I'm gonna try. This is the line. This is where I'm gonna close the trade. around price 1.15597. I don't think it's gonna. I think it's gonna work out though. I saw we might have lost like the actual CPI trade, but I don't think that's all yet. You know, I'm still running the short right now. So yeah. So if this hits, that's because the investor gave me the account at what, $43,000. Yeah, if that hits, that's gonna be $48,600 there. So hopefully, but if we lose, then we just lost 1% from what he gave us because we made $2,700 yesterday, right? And again, the latching account, I cannot fund my account. Just market is not letting me get into the personal area to fund the account again. So that's why I'm not running down the trade on that. Anyways, so that's gonna be it, guys. Like, that's gonna be it. So let's see how this. I'm gonna update on the story on my Telegram. So just so I'm gonna start updating on there. But I've just been lazy because when I get off the stream, I want to do other things rather than kind of like sit on there on trading and stuff like that. So try as much as possible to enjoy my day without trading after streaming an hour. So it's kind of like me coming here in an hour. It's kind of like not trying like, conditioning myself to only pop in here and do anything related to trading for just 1 hour. And I go about my day, have some fun, because I have tendency to like, usually like in the past, like I spend like usually like I'm saying 19 hours on the chat. So that is not healthy, bro. So now I don't want to do that. And this is why you would always see me like, pop in here because it's kind of like how I'm kind of like, building a routine for myself. Like, you know what? I want to do like, 4-hour work week, that kind of thing. So anyway, guys, so that's it. That's really it. Maybe here, maybe something like that. I don't know. We're gonna see how this play out. I'm gonna see this. Is this still moving up? Not really. What is your doing? Okay. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, sure. Anyways, that's gonna be all for today. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow and update you guys on where we at, on what the trade is looking like. So see you there.